As we approach the end of this journey, many have felt the urge to quit, to give up, to stop moving forward. Yet, here we are today. Some thought they wouldn't make it to graduation, struggling with their theses, lacking requirements, almost falling short on fees. But look, you're all here now. I do not have any quotes that I can share to you, but because I am not a quote enthusiast. But I always believed, just like what I mentioned in the first part, kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo. Kaya ka nandito ngayon despite the challenges, despite the hardships, the sacrifices, the tears, is because para sa'yo yan. For those of us who juggled studying and working just to make it through college and graduate, for those whose daily grind was fueled by coffee, let us cherish this victorious moment. To everyone who persevered, exerted effort, and reached this milestone, let us celebrate this monumental achievement together, kasi para sa inyo yan. I want to acknowledge each of you for the remarkable sacrifices, struggles, and tears you've endured to reach this momentous day. Our journey through college has been a test of resilience and determination.